good understanding of the technology and what it can be used for, then interact with other people in other disciplines, and then work out how you could, together work up something new specifically for that discipline. And I think that's where the opportunity is, really. It's in people getting together and working out ways in which they can do things.